Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to understand about ppm, that is parts per million. Million means 10 lakhs. Okay, here we will first understand what is ppm, then we will see the types of ppm and their formulas. Okay, so here see, ppm is parts per million, as you know, and it is a dimensionless ratio. Okay, so here seeing 1 ppm is equal to 1 upon 10 lakhs. Okay, that is here 1 upon 10 raised 6, which is equal to 10 raised minus 6. Okay, this is 10 lakhs is equal to million. Okay, and it is a dimensionless. I am also writing down here dimensionless ratio. Okay, so here ppm ppm means here how many parts of a substance are present per 10 lakhs, that is million parts of the total mixture. Okay, so here see, now types of ppm we will see now. Types of ppm which are based on volume or mass or mole basis, mole or atoms. Okay, so here I am just highlighting these parts. Types of ppm: dimensionless, 1 ppm. Okay, so let's see here, there are 3 types of ppm. In that 2 are most important and third one is rarely used. So here seeing, first is, I am writing down here now, first is here ppmv, which is parts per million by volume. Okay, second is here ppmw, which is parts per million by weight or mass. Okay, and third one is ppma, which is parts per million by atoms. Okay, so see here now, further this ppmv is used for gas or vapor in a mixtures. Okay, so here I am writing down gas or vapors in a mixture, in a gas mixture you can call, and this ppmw used in liquids or solids. Okay, liquids or solids. And this ppma, this is rarely used, but it is sometimes used in calculation for analysis of nuclear or elemental analysis. Okay, so here it is used, rarely used, and especially it is used for nuclear or elemental analysis. Okay, see here, so further see, now I am here now writing down the formula for ppmv is equal to volume of component upon volume of total volume of gas into 10 raised 6. Okay, so here volume of component upon total volume of gas into 10 raised 6. This is the formula. Okay, and for ppmw, it is mass of component upon total mass of mixture into 10 raised 6. Okay, so mass of component upon total mass of mixture into 10 raised 6. Okay, now further see here. Now let's see. Now here this is ppmv, which from that we can get the here mole fraction, and from ppmw we can get the mass fraction. So here see mole fraction first. Let's see mole fraction, which is equal to here ppmv divided by 10 raised 6, which is equal to volume of component upon total volume of gas. Okay, understood? So this is called as mole fraction. Okay, now further see mass fraction. Mass fraction is equal to ppmw upon 10 raised 6 is equal to here mass of component upon total mass of mixture. Okay, this is called as mass fraction. Okay students, so students, in this video we have understood about ppm. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.